Good morning, yogis, yoginis, and everyone in between. This is day 4 of your morning yoga journey. I'm Kit, and welcome to Yoga with Kit Souther. I'm happy to see you. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining. You can join the 30-day journey if you click the link down below in the description box. Obviously, you don't have to. You can just go ahead and do this video like you would do any other yoga practice. So, let's go ahead and start with our affirmation. Today's affirmation is, I focus on solutions. Right, let's play that back again. I focus on solutions. Allow that to resonate with you, setting your intention for the practice. Focusing on solutions. Beautiful. Let's go ahead, like all practices, start off with our 3 ohms to clear the air, right? We do the cleansing breath in and out, and then we start. We inhale, and we exhale gently. Again, we inhale, beginning with our ohms. Om. 2 more, we inhale. One more, breathing into the belly. Allowing the breath to return back to neutral, back to your normal breath. Let's begin our practice. We're going to go ahead and start by cradling this one leg, right? So we've done this before. We're going to put that foot into the crevice of the elbow and the knee alongside. Just begin rocking the hip joint back and forth, making sure that we stay in great posture, the best that we can. I know it's a little weird, right? Especially if we have tight hip flexors, just hips in general. Great. Let's go ahead and we switch to the other side, gently dropping down that foot. Right, and noticing if we have one side that maybe is a little bit tighter, a little bit more difficult than the other. Right. Left side for me is, right, we're working on it. I'm working on it, but you know, it just is like that sometimes. Okay, great. From here, we're going to take it into butterfly pose, right? So we'll just have the feet together, right? Really opening up the groin. You can either hold from the ankles, right? I like doing this. It gives me a little bit more options as far as how I want to press down, how far I want to go. Gives me a little bit more control, right? Or you can hold on to the toes, whatever feels best for you this morning, right? Okay. You can rock back and forth if you want, just a little. We'll do one more inhale here. We inhale, lengthening the spine. And as we exhale, gently coming up. From here, we're going to keep one of these feet in, extend the other foot out in front. Right, we're going to gently turn the side body to where the chest is facing the foot. We're going to inhale, our hands are going to come up. We're going to exhale and we're going to forward fold to wherever you are today, right? If you need to have blocks, you can have blocks here as a support. You can also, if you want to go further, you put a block here and it allows you to go past the foot to have a little bit more support to hold on to. Right, so we inhale and exhale, falling a little bit more forward, deepening the stretch. On the next exhale, we're going to use our hands as guides to come back up, and we're going to switch it to the other side. Right, so just stretching out the body. We inhale, hands come up. We rotate to where our chest faces top of our foot. We exhale and we forward fold, gliding down. Really making sure that we still keep our body in line and making sure that those sit bones are still on the mat. Right? Doesn't have to be anything perfect. Right now we are, or just life in general, doesn't have to be anything perfect. We're just really waking up the body, allowing our body to open up and to say good morning. Okay, great. From here, we're going to take our feet out wide and we're going to just gently come forward, right? Making sure that our feet are in dorsal flex. We're going to just gently walk our hands out. We don't want to do anything too crazy, right? Normally, right when we wake up in the morning, all of these muscles are very tight. So our goal here is to just relax. Stay mindful of where we're holding tension in our body this morning. And our goal is just to work that out, right? Beautiful. We're going to gently walk our hands back up. And from here, we're going to put our feet together and roll over onto our stomachs. Oh, this is nice. Right? Gently rocking back and forth. From here, we're going to just gently lift up the legs, palms on the mat. Forehead goes down. Lifting up the legs, staying strong, opening up, lighting up the body, and gently releasing the legs down. Put our hands beside our chest, tuck the toes, pushing up into downward facing dog. Breathing here. We're going to lift up that right foot, bending from the knee, opening up the hips. From here, we're going to take it all the way through, dropping down this front foot, turning the back foot parallel to the wall, putting our right hand inside of the right foot, gently opening up the side body, lifting up that left arm to the sky. If this is too much, you can also just pop your forearm here and just allow the body to open up like this, right? You guys are doing great. We're going to drop down both hands. From here, take it back to downward facing dog. We do the other side. We lift up the left foot, opening up, and taking it right on through, putting that back foot parallel to the wall, opening up through the side body, stretching out, breathing, allowing the body to stay relaxed, loosening up those back muscles, allowing the hand to come back down, taking it back into downward facing dog. Dropping down to the knees, coming to thunderbolt position. Breathing in through the nose. Sinking down, we gently close our eyes, saying our affirmation. I choose to focus on solutions. We inhale and exhale, taking this affirmation into the world. Whenever you're ready, gently open your eyes. Thank you so much for choosing today, for choosing yourself and going through day 4. I am very, very proud of you. Make sure to stay confident, stay consistent with your practice. That is always key. But like I have mentioned in the other videos, if you miss 1 or 2 days, it is okay. Don't feel guilty. Just get back up on the horse and keep going. Thank you so much for your time, for your energy, for everything you do. I love you guys so much. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Namaste.